What's going on, guys? Big Time 110 here, and today I want to show you a ROM that has a special place in my top 5. I know when you think about ROMs, you always think about PE experience, you think about the Havocs, the Omni ROMs, but for me, I remember Lineage back when it was CyanogenMod, and there was another ROM that came out soon after that called Paranoid Android. And today, that's what we'll be checking out. Paranoid Android for the OnePlus 7 Pro. So, without further ado, let's get into this ROM, guys. So, first glance, you'll see it comes with the launcher with the Google Feed on the side, which is something that you always want to have. We don't want nothing else, no shelf, no nothing. We want that launcher with the Google Feed now on the left side. Now, this ROM is not perfect by any means. If you look at, if you notice, it doesn't have double tap to wake, so you have to press the power button every time, and it's kind of annoying. Once you get used to it, it's still annoying. But you never value how much double tap to wake is important. But other than that, the fingerprint works, as you can see. And also the camera popped out twice, but it can't see me, so it doesn't let me go through. So, but it does work. Everything else works. The ROM is very smooth. It's not, so far it doesn't have, it's on beta, so it doesn't have a lot of the features that you want to find on a lot of custom ROMs, but it'll do. Let's see, it comes with a neon green color out of the box. And if we go to the settings, there's really nothing special that you're not going to find on other ROMs. Let's see, what do we have here? Yeah, so out of the box, you want to find nothing special. You're not going to find like any of the Paranoid Android custom settings. But we got the usual connected devices for your Bluetooth, your apps permissions, your screen time. It'll show you like all the information that you want from your phone, so you know where you're spending your time. You got default apps, everything else. You got your sound, vibration, your phone ringtones, everything. We have your storage, security and location, as you can see. We have your smart lock. Your smart lock has face unlock and whatnot. It's encrypted. What else do we have here? We got our accounts, digital well-being. So again, so you know where you're spending your time, you could just go there and check it out. System, Now here, at least here, we have some customization for your home buttons. You could swap the buttons if you like. See, have it right there, but no, I'll keep it like this. You have your long press for the home button, double tap. The back button, you could also have a long press action, a double tap action, and your recents. But since I don't have the typical, on-screen buttons, I don't have the recent, so that one's grayed out. And if you go to, let's see, gestures, here it lets you activate the Google Pill, as you can see, the Pixel Pill. Also, they have these screen off gestures, but from what I read, they don't work yet. So just like double tap to wake doesn't work, they don't work. So I didn't even bother setting them up or checking them out because they're not going to work. Then you also, hopefully in the future, they'll have the updates sent through here, so you don't have to go and look for the newest update. You just update it from the updater. And yeah, that's what we have, guys. Let's see. Oh, actually, that's one thing I think I like. Now I gotta show you guys. We have pocket detection here. We've got the wallpapers. You could change your colors, saturated or whatever you want. That's how I like it. We got the ambient display. I have a dark theme, but as you can see, it's still white and green. But it's okay. It's beta, guys, so let's not forget that. Also on battery, at least it has these options. Like for example, I have the portrait icon. That is something that for me it's a must. Like I have to have the icon with the percentage inside. Let's see if we could get a closer look at that. No. Well, you get the idea. So yeah, guys. So far for me, battery's been pretty good. It hasn't been as good as others, but it's not as bad as others. So it's I think it's on par with OS right now. Everything seems to work. I haven't had no issues with Bluetooth. Sound works, music works, GPS works. I haven't had no issues with none of that. The calls, texts, everything works. The camera works. Let's see, can we switch the camera here? So as you can see, camera works. Let's see, press here. Look at the top. Camera's gonna pop up. Boom. See, so everything seems to work pretty well. The camera doesn't have the best quality, but like I said before in my other videos, to me it's not that important. As long as I can take a decent picture, that's all I ask. This is just a quick view of Paranoid Android, one of my favorite ROMs. This ROM, it feels really good. I know I say that about other ROMs, but this one does feel really good. The only thing, we have a few shortcomings, and those are little features that are going to be added soon to the ROM. As we go into the future, you know that they're going to add those other features into the ROM, and once those features make it into the ROM, there's nothing else that could hold this ROM back. It's going to be up there with Pixel Experience, Siberia ROM, which we're waiting for. Hopefully those developers decide to bring it to us on the OnePlus 7 Pro. So guys, like the video, subscribe, comment on what you want to see, and thank you for the feedback, and I'll catch you guys in the next video.